Hey, we're here on the Emerald Princess and we're going to do a room tour of E317, which is the Emerald deck. Let's go take a look at this. Well, this is a special room. Come on in. All right. Let's take a look at the first thing we want to look at always is your emergency plan. In the event there was an emergency and you were summoned to your muster station. For this particular cabin, the muster station is B. We go to deck 6 in the event there was an emergency. The red dot is where we are. We go to the right, come down the stairway, and we end up here at muster station B, which is the Gatsby Casino, is our muster station. Now there's one little special thing about in the event you go to the muster station, you need to take these with you. These are your life jackets. There's 2 life jackets here. If there was an emergency of some sort, you would grab those and go to the muster station. All right, let's go take a look at this cabin. Cabin E317, and look at that. It's got a window. We'll get into that. Queen size bed. At the end of the video, we go through, you know, how is the bed, how are the sheets, how are the pillows. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. So we come over here. There are no electrical outlets here. There are no USBs. Storage, and storage. And there's an automatic light that just turned on. That comes in handy at night. If you happen to get up and go to the restroom. Now, this used to be where a TV was. There's no TV here, but what's cool about it, there's an outlet that we'll be able to use. And then over here we got a bottle of Prosecco from the casino. That was nice of them. Huh, very nice. All right, so we got storage there. It's like a little bar area. And then we've got a fridge. Very nice. End table, a desk. Let's see what this desk has for. Oh, it's got shelves, no drawers. No, we don't necessarily like the shelves. We like drawers instead. Okay, we've got storage. No outlets here, but we do have switches. This switch goes to the hallway near the door. This goes over the bed. And usually there's switches behind the pillows here. And there we are. This switch here goes over the bed. This one goes down to the hall. Let me turn that one back on. Oh, I just messed up the bed. I chihuahua. All right, so if you wanted to plug your phone in, no electrical outlets, no USBs. The desk looks nice. We've got 2 outlets here. We've got one outlet for the blow dryer, one outlet for a computer. So we're not going to use that blow dryer right now. The outlets are more important to us for our phones and stuff like that. Beautiful mirror. Trash can. Mirrors everywhere in here. And there's our TV on the wall. Decent sized room. As we come out and head to the bathroom, here's a thermostat. Self-explanatory. Blue is colder, red is warmer. And now we've got this closet. Now I kind of showed you a little glimpse of the closet when I was talking to you about the life jackets. Decent sized closet. Again, there's your life jackets. Let's go take a peek in here. All right, we've got storage up top. We've got a safe. Nothing in it. Let's see, is there anything underneath there? No, just extra padding. No monies. That stinks. No big deal. All right, storage. Let's go into the bathroom. It says watch your step. The reason why it wants you to watch your step is right here. All right, let's go in. Let's take a peek at this bathroom. All right, let's pull this curtain back. We have water on and off, and we have temperature control. Love that. Love that. Over here we've got shower gel and shower shampoo and conditioner. We've got a handicap rail, and we've got a clothesline. Clothesline comes all the way over, goes all the way up. In the event you wanted to hang something wet, like a bathing suit, or maybe you did some laundry in the room. Shower head is a regular shower head, not a wand. Let me pull the curtain back. Toilet seat, toilet paper, 2 full towels, 2 hand towels, 2 face cloths, glasses, storage, European plug, US plug. Great for a shaver or a toothbrush. We've got lotion and hand soap. Decent sized sink. Tissues, trash, extra toilet paper. Alright, let's head out. Alright, I saved the best for the last. You know I saved the best for the last. The full-length mirror. No, that wasn't the best for the last, but it does look good on me, doesn't it? Alright, let's go look at the best for the last. Oh, Andrea already discovered it.
It's obstructed Oceanview cabin. Say it.
And the obstruction is this lifeboat, which is fine. We can see. We'll try to take some video while we're out at sea or in port, just to give you an idea of what it looks like when you're looking out the window. Now, we've had these rooms before, and you're thinking, wow, you'll get all kinds of light. Sometimes it doesn't happen because there's an overhang up there. And that overhang doesn't necessarily add a lot of natural light, but we'll check it out. But we like this. We get light up above here. Usually we get in these cabins and the lighting is usually tough. It's a little bit older, you know, but it's good. I'll tell you right now, right off the bat, the room's got a nice size to it. All right, make sure you stay to the end of the video and we will give you a full review of our stay in this cabin.
Check this room out. So this is a obstructed window view room.
That red dot is the light on the TV, and the green dot is the thermostat.
You gotta check this out. Look over, the light's not on here. It's gonna be all daylight.
A little bit of light.
Look at that. You would never know.
Welcome to Limon, Costa Rica. This is the view from the obstructed window, cabin E317. Not too bad, huh? Looks good.
Here's a view from the room without the lifeboat there. And there's the window. There's the lifeboat. And look at the view. So sometimes in port they bring the lifeboat down. It gives you an opportunity with a bigger view.
The back of the bathroom door has 2 hooks.
All right, we're at the time now where we're gonna do a review of our stay in this room,
E317.
which is an Oceanview obstructed view cabin.
This is true. We've had a room like this before in the past, and we're kind of, as a matter of fact, I think it was the first time we had it, and we were kind of surprised that it wasn't a lot of light coming through that room, and we kind of commented on it in our last video that we did on that particular obstructed view room. This one was quite honestly just the opposite. It was bright.
Yeah, so what Michael's trying to say is we had a lot of daylight in here, and we were kind of surprised by it because our last room was not as bright because we believed that the windows were tinted in the last room.
Exactly.
So this was really great. It also was a slightly different layout, and this layout worked really well for us. It felt more
Roomy.
spacious. More spacious.
Yeah, I call it roomy, she calls it spacious. But yeah, it was definitely much more spacious.
Okay.
Okay?
So that was a huge plus for us after staying in
Huge.
here. It was much brighter than we anticipated.
Yeah, I've got a video of sunsets. I've got videos of sunrises. I got videos of coming into port. I mean,
Yeah.
it's this obstructed window cabin, pretty awesome.
Sounds good.
Pretty awesome. All right, what do you got to offer? That was me first. What do you got?
Yeah, that was a plus. I will say that the location, this deck level, is pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's right above deck 7, where there's a lot of action going on there. Deck 6, 5, all of the places that you're going to be during the day or in the evening for your public spaces.
Absolutely.
So pretty easy. A little bit further from the Lido.
Oh, definitely further from the Lido. But I mean, if you're not going to the Lido, if you're going to a restaurant or you're going to the Piazza or you're going to the International Cafe, and we walk, so it was an easy walk.
Yeah. So I have a tidbit. If you are going up to the Lido, if you go up the staircase that's right here, which is the forward staircase, you're going to actually have to walk outside to get to the buffet area. And depending on the weather, if it's hot or cold or rainy, that may not be something you want to do. So what I suggest you do is walk in the hallway aft, all the way to the back center staircase, walk up, and you are right there at the buffet. Perfect.
That's a good tidbit.
Okay.
The other thing that we didn't catch when we were doing the original tour was at night, I'm laying in bed, I've got to go to the bathroom, I put my feet down on the floor. Oh, a nightlight turns on. An automatic nightlight turns on near the bed, on both end tables, and when you're going to the bathroom, there's one in the hallway, it just turns on automatically.
Yeah, in the closet area.
In the
So
closet
underneath
area.
each side table as well as the closet. Automatic lights for motion detecting.
Yeah, I thought that was really cool. The other thing that was really cool about this room was when we closed the blinds, it was dark. It
Yep.
was dark like an inside cabin.
They are blackout curtains,
But-
and truly blackout.
But that's one of the things we like about an inside cabin is that it's dark and it's quiet, and if you want to get a good solid sleep, it's not a problem on an inside cabin as long as you don't have any outside noise.
I agree.
It kind of felt like that. It kind of felt like an inside cabin.
It did.
Because as Andrea mentioned, we're close to deck 7, 6, and 5, where all the action is. We don't hear anything here.
No.
We don't hear a pin drop. I mean, it's
Quiet.
quiet.
Yeah,
And if you close those blinds correctly,
it's dark.
it's dark, and you'll see that.
Yeah.
The that was the other thing. The other thing on deck 7, the outside is a walking track, which is
True.
close, one level down,
Yes.
and the bed.
Perfect.
It was perfect.
Did not mind it at all.
Yeah.
Was pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, and our cabin steward, JR,
JR, top shelf guy,
really great.
really, really good. I mean, he's very attentive. He's
Yes.
good. He's
Yep.
definitely good. And hopefully, if you're in this room and he's here on his contract, you're gonna be very happy with him. All right. What else do I have on my list?
Well, I would say,
Oh, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, I don't think there was anything negative about this room.
The actual room itself, no.
Nope.
Oh, the water pressure in the shower.
Very nice.
Holy smokes! The water pressure was amazing.
The only thing I would say in the bathroom, you like a wand, and I like a wand sometimes if
Yeah.
I'm doing my hair. So would you say there was anything negative?
Oh, I was saying something. Oh, that was what I was saying. There's nothing negative inside the room itself because I mean everything. I mean it was a nice room. It really was.
Yeah.
Just if you're doing your own laundry, it's a little bit of a walk.
Yeah, it's on the opposite side. We're on the starboard side. You have to go to the port side and then walk aft, I believe is right. Yeah.
That way.
Yeah, that's aft.
Aft.
Yeah, so it's a little bit of a walk, but it is on this floor, which is nice. You don't have to go up to the elevator,
Yeah.
and you didn't really have any problems getting a.
Well, I pick
Washer and dryer.
I pick and choose when I do my laundry.
That's
so
true, time wise.
I look at when I think it's going to be free.
Yeah.
So, so this is where I ask you: is there anything else?
No.
All right. There's nothing else. So this is why I asked you, would you stay here again?
I think I would.
I think I would definitely stay here again.
I'm more partial to the back side of the ship, so
I mean,
I like
you're
being
pretty
there,
much in
but
the middle here.
I didn't really mind walking. So as long as I know that where I'm going, I usually walk in the corridors, and it's been great.
I would stay here again for
Yeah.
sure. And it's kind of located right in the middle of the ship, don't you think?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
directly in the middle. So we would stay here again. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And this is why I say, ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.